Miami is famous around the world for its turquoise waters, sandy beaches, wide nightlife, and international food scene. Whether you're on your honeymoon or just looking for a romantic local to escape the cold, Miami is one of the best cities in the US for intimate dates. We've done the research and checked hundreds of activities in the city. Keep watching to discover 10 romantic things to do in Miami for couples. One, fly over the city on a private helicopter. Take your love to new heights with a private helicopter tour of Miami. This unique experience will provide couples with a bird's eye view of the city. The helicopter will fly over Miami's breathtaking beaches and iconic skyline. You'll even get to see some of the city's main tourist attractions from above, like the Miami Seaquarium, the Fairchild Botanical Garden, and Coconut Grove. You can even customize your tour by choosing the length, 30, 45, or 60 minutes. Tours run throughout the day with both morning and afternoon options available. Two, go parasailing together. Have you always dreamed of flying? Now's your chance, thanks to this exciting and intimate parasailing experience. Parasailing off the coast of Miami is something you'll never forget. You'll float high above the waters of Biscayne Bay. From up there, you'll be treated to incredible views of the Miami skyline and even Coconut Grove. Don't forget to look down at the water. You just may be able to see some dolphin or sea turtle friends swimming below. Three, discover the Everglades on an airboat. Explore one of America's most unique national parks, the Everglades. Located west of Miami, this massive region is a sight to behold. Full of lush vegetation and never-before-seen wildlife, it is a must-visit while in Miami. These tropical wetlands can only be explored by boat, and this airboat adventure is perfect for couples. You'll glide through the airy waters while learning about the surrounding ecosystem that thrives there. Be sure to keep your eyes peeled for the park's most famous residents, alligators. Four, simple local foods and a walking tour of Little Havana. Owing to the dominant Cuban-American population that resides in Miami, it has been nicknamed the capital of Latin America. While all aspects of Cuban culture bring something to the table, Cuban food is one of the best additions to Miami. The city's famous Little Havana neighborhood is where couples will find some of the best Cuban food that Miami has to offer. This 2.5-hour culinary and cultural walking tour will allow you to discover the music, food, history, and flavors of Cuba right in Miami. You'll listen to stories from locals, dance to salsa music, and of course be treated to some delicious and authentic Cuban dishes. All tours include food and drinks and guided tours of a cigar factory, Domino Park, Cuba Ocho, and Cuban Memorial Boulevard. Five, drink and dance on a party boat. A boat party? Only in Miami. Hit the high seas while partying the night away on this dance cruise. A professional DJ will be on board spinning the latest tunes all night long. Music of all kind will be played, so there is guaranteed to be something for all couples. From the vantage point of the boat, you'll also get to see beautiful views of the city skyline lit up at night. 6. Zip across the water on a speedboat. Calling all thrill seekers. Relaxation meets adventure with the speedboat tour of Miami. If you're after something a little more fast-paced than sailing or cruising, a speedboat is the way to go. You'll board a 24-foot, 6-passenger jet boat for 90 minutes that will have you zipping around Biscayne Bay. This private boating experience is perfect for couples. All tours include views of the skyline, various historical sites, and some of the most beautiful homes in the city. Seven. Cruise on the fabulous Biscayne Bay. Enjoy a magical cruise with your partner on Biscayne Bay. One of Miami's most popular spots, Biscayne Bay, is as picturesque as it gets. This 90-minute cruise will not only get you out on the water, but will take you by Millionaire Row, where many of the city's celebrity mansions can be found. You'll also get to see the iconic Miami skyline from the water, along with the Port of Miami. If you want to escape the hustle and bustle of the city and feel the wind in your hair, this is the way to do it. Tours run throughout the day, whether you're in the mood for a morning sail or a romantic sunset experience. Eight. Beat the heat in Miami Beach. No trip to Miami is complete without spending some time in the famous Miami Beach. Famous for its Art Deco architecture, vibrant nightlife, and wild nightlife scene, it is an iconic part of the city. It also happens to boast some of the most beautiful beaches in the entire country. Does South Beach ring a bell? Luckily, you can get your fill of Miami Beach in one of many local tours. A tour will help you navigate the area, learn about its history, and enjoy some much-needed time in the sunshine. Nine. Visit art galleries in Wynwood. Are you an art buff? Then you have to explore Miami's very own arts district of Wynwood. Wynwood boasts over 70 art galleries as well as a variety of antique shops and eclectic bars. In a sense, it is one of the hippest neighborhoods in Miami. Spend the afternoon marveling at local street art and visiting some of the best galleries in the city. Along the way, you'll learn from your expert guide about the history of the district and some of its most famous local artists. See amazing wildlife in Jungle Island. Animal Lovers Unit. If your ideal day involves some of the cutest creatures on the planet, then Jungle Island is for you. Miami's Jungle Island is the home of wildlife from all over the world, ranging from the lemurs from Madagascar to the red kangaroos of Australia. Other animals include penguins, sloth, parrots, flamingos, and orangutans. In addition to getting up close and personal with some of your favorite animals, Jungle Island puts on some amazing shows. This tour includes access to all shows at Jungle Island, which run on a daily basis. With so much to explore, from the beautiful beaches to the incredible food and nightlife scene, couples will have plenty of options for romantic dates in Miami. If you're still looking for more activities to do in Miami, check out 15 more activities for couples on the website overseasattractions.com.